What's up, y'all? I'm eidirtii and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a Juvia'sPlace first impressions. We are going to be trying out the shade stick and a concealer as well. But before I get started, make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe so I can give you more content and then I know that you guys are liking what you're seeing. You dig? Okay, so let's get right into the video. As you may know, Juvia'sPlace has been blowing up recently. I don't know what it is, what happened, what they did, but honey, when I heard about it and they had a sale, I had to go get me something. Best believe that. Cause I don't like paying for nothing full price. It looked just like my skin. That's what's up. It look. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the brightness down. See, I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation, and this is in the shade Guinea. I feel like I'm saying that right. Guinea, whatever. I'll try. But this is in the shade Guinea, and so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my face. This is a very nice foundation. I love how it feels. It's very creamy, but it's so smooth, like, and it matches my skin tone perfectly. This matches my skin tone so perfectly. You wouldn't even think I had on makeup. I could go out like this and be perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. No concealer, no eyelashes, no nothing. Be like, what's up, y'all? Yes, honey. What I will say about this concealer, and this concealer is in the shade 12. Yep, in the number 12. So what I will say about this concealer, it is a little liquidy. I mean, that's not a problem, but I want to let it sit there for just a few so it can, you know, do what it do. So it can bake a little bit, so it can cook a little bit and get a little pasty. So the reason why I'm using a brush right now instead of my beauty blender is so that I can focus the concealer in the areas that I want to apply it more evenly. So yeah, so basically I just want to focus the concealer in the areas where I apply it a little bit better before I go in with the beauty blender. But I will say this is some good stuff. If y'all didn't go get y'all nothing now, let me tell you, you better. But make sure you go into Ulta first before you decide to buy what you think is your shade. Because when I tell you I bought so many different shades, it's crazy. But I'm gonna keep them though. So, you know, when I do other people's makeup, I have a variety. But man, I could have used that money on something else, because I bought so many different shades thinking that, oh, okay, let me get one above this one. You know, maybe if this one doesn't match a little bit, I can wear this in the summertime. Honey, I was wrong. I was so wrong. I was so off. About 3 shades off.
So the name of the highlighter that I'm using is called the Royalty One, and I love this on my skin. It is so pretty. They do have a variety, so anybody of any shade can get one of these highlighters, honey, and I promise you, you will not be sorry.
So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.